In this video, I will show you how to hide blog author names from the search results page in Shopify's Dawn theme. As you can see in this example, I've typed the espresso keyword in the search field, and here are the results. And so you may notice that every single blog post features the blog date and the author name. So in this example, I would like to hide the author name from the results page. So the steps are as follows. Let's log into Shopify admin account, then click on themes, log in Dawn theme, and then select customize. Once the editor loads, at the very top, click on homepage and then select others. And then right here, click on search. Then on the left, click on search results. And then on the right, scroll a bit down until you find blog card section. Right here, just simply uncheck this box, show author, and then save changes. Now let's go back to the website and refresh the page. And let's try different keywords such as coffee. And here are the results, and as you can see, the name is no longer present. So that's all for this video. I hope you found helpful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.